Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use the advice that you received from your get professional advice. So we saw how to request advice in the previous video. Now I'm going to show you how to use the advice that you received. So first and foremost, to know when you receive the advice, you're going to get a little notification up here on your notification button. You can click it, and then you're going to be able to see your notifications. In this case, I don't have one. But let's assume that you have a notification. You can just click on it and we'll redirect you to the same place. So I'm going to click apply the custom advice we gave you. Here you can see all the advice requests or the review requests that you did, and you can see the advice that we sent you. So here we can go here and click view reviews, and as you can see the reviews that we have that I've requested. So obviously these are a bunch of test reviews. But in this case, we'll use this one, which isn't for my company. It's for another one called Pixelated, which is one of our clients. So your review will be orange if it hasn't been reviewed yet, and if you don't have any advice yet. But if it's green, it means that you have advice that you can use. So let's click on the green one here. And so as you can see, we can see a few things first. You can see the show tutorial button, which should show you this tutorial. You can also see how to use this page, and we can see a progress bar. So what this progress bar does is it shows you the progress that you've done through the advice that we've given you. So what does this mean? Well, let me explain. As you can see, the review that we've sent you has quite a few things: the date submitted, the status, the name of your company, and the introduction, which essentially just summarizes the information that you gave us, if you gave us any information. We also have some exemplary e-commerce websites that you can look at to really see what your website should look like. Sorry, we have some big companies like Nike and Bleem here, and next we have the actual advice itself here, which is in the form of to-do lists. So let's look at the different pieces of advice that we've sent you. So first and foremost, we have the homepage design functionality, which is obviously the homepage and the sort of the first part of your conversion funnel in your website. And here we give some advice to this person, which is the 15% discount pop-up is a good initiative, but could be designed more attractively. Make it visually appealing to encourage signups. So here I could go to my website and then update this and then change this 50% discount pop-up and make it better, make it visually appealing and encouraging signups, which would mean that this actually means that it's not attractive, it's not good enough, doesn't look good enough. It's just generally not good enough. But once I've been to my website, I fixed this problem, I can then click the check mark, because I've done this sort of piece of advice. I've applied this piece of feedback and this piece of advice, and which means that, as you can see, we've got a bit more on the progress bar. Now you would have to go through all of these pieces of advice. So let's continue. Let's say on the content and descriptions part, which is usually refers to the product page. In this case, remove long pieces of text at the start of the page. They are often skipped by users, especially on mobile devices. Keep content concise and engaging. This is obviously talking about the descriptions of the product. So here I can go to my products page, look at my product, and then make it shorter or longer. Usually it's actually I actually just got an idea from the new section of the app. But usually in this case the description is too long, so we're asking the user to make it shorter. Now once you've done this, you can then click done, and you have now completed this part of the feedback. As you can see, the progress bar keeps going up. Once you've finished every single part of this of these advice, you are now done with the progress bar, meaning that you can now request a new review where we will check what you've done, what you've completed, and we will check how good it is, and we will also give you new advice and new things to apply, including new feedback and advice on your store. So you can click request a new review, and as you can see, it brings you back to the request review section where you can request a new review. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you have any questions, make sure to comment them in the comments below, or you can click on this little question mark icon here and ask a question, and we will see your questions and answer them immediately. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.